Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to run Qwen3-VL 4B and 8B thinking on Spheron AI, the easiest way to deploy powerful multimodal models without wrestling with setup or hardware. Qwen3-VL is one of the most advanced vision language models out right now. It doesn't just describe what it sees, it actually reasons through information across text, images, and even video. It can analyze dense research papers, read diagrams, understand GUIs, generate full web layouts from screenshots, and it does all of this with deliberate, structured reasoning. So let's get it running directly on Spheron AI. First, head to app.spheron.ai and sign up. Go to Deposit section and deposit some funds. You can use crypto or card from the options once done. Next, click Deploy, choose your GPU. For this example, we are using 4090. Then pick your region and set the operating system to Ubuntu 22.04. Review the summary, upload your SSH key. You can choose to upload your SSH key or direct add it in the box. Select it and hit Deploy Instance. In under a few minutes, you'll have full root access to a GPU-powered VM ready to go. Now, open your terminal and connect to your instance using SSH. SSH-I, private key path, provider at your VM IP. When asked for a passphrase, enter your SSH key password. That's it. You are now connected to your VM. Once connected, let's set up the environment. Use Spheron AI tutorial blog to run all the shown commands in the video. First, install Miniconda and create a fresh Python 3.11 environment. Run the commands one by one. First, download Miniconda using curl-ow link of the miniconda.sh. Next, install with bash miniconda file name -b -p $home/miniconda3. Next, initialize Conda by running $home/miniconda3/bin/conda init bash, and then run source ~.bashrc. Next, create env and activate. Run conda create-n qwen python equals 3.11-y and wen-activate qwen. It will ask you to accept the term of services by running the commands shown in the output. Run one by one to accept the toss. Next, run the command conda activate Qwen. Next, install all the dependencies. This example uses CUDA 12.1, so make sure it matches your GPU driver. Install PyTorch by running pip install torch vision torch audio -- index URL. Next, let's install Hugging Face plus utilities. First, run pip install git plus transformers repo link. Next, run the command pip install git plus accelerate repo link. Next, run pip install git plus diffusers repo link. Next, run pip install Hugging Face hub. Next, install common helpers by running the command shown. Next, install pip install bits and bytes needed for quantized or large models. Once that's done, open your code editor. If you're using Cursor or VS Code, connect via SSH. The first command which you run in your terminal to connect your VM to code editor Open the project folder and create a new file called test.py. Paste this code inside the file. This script loads the Qwen3-VL 4B thinking model and processor, downloads an image, builds an image and text prompt, runs inference, and prints the output text. You can replace the image URL with any picture you like, even a screenshot or a diagram, and it'll reason over it just like that. Save the file and run it by running python 3 test.py. You'll see the model load, generate its response, and print the result right in your terminal. And that's it. You've just deployed Qwen3-VL on Spheron AI with full GPU acceleration and zero setup friction. Models like Qwen3-VL are built for the next generation of multimodal reasoning, combining text, vision, and video into a single understanding space. Paired with Spheron's AI GPU network, you can now run this kind of high-end AI workload on your own terms, fast, affordable, and fully under your control. So go ahead, deploy your instance on Spheron AI, try out Qwen3-VL thinking, and see what true multimodal reasoning looks like.